Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. This time I'm going to be showing you something to basically speed up your blueprinting. I did get a lot of questions back in the day on how I do certain things and how I quickly sort my nodes or I make reroutes. I'm going to show you some of the basic things that I mainly use every single day. As you can see here, this might look familiar to some people in case of how messy it can be. And instead of right-clicking on this pin, straighten connection, and then or manually moving it, and to basically solve this, how you can do this, and I want to have it in line like this, make sure to select it right here. I'm going to hold Control and I can select the other actors that I want to have in line with it. I'm going to press Q and you can see it immediately jumps all in a straight line, and then I can sort in a way that I wanted to. Same for this. I can just basically have all these here selected, or the last three. Then I select this one, I press Q, and then this is nice in line with the rest. Same thing here. A simple thing, you can just connect it like this, but let's say it's way out there and I go back. What I can do, I can just hold Shift and then press on the other exact node, and it automatically makes a line to it, and I don't have to manually connect the exact pins. Next thing, good to remember, if you want to make branches, let's say I want to add a branch here, drag out, press B, and you have your branch. So you don't have to manually search if, or you have to type branch. And you have way more of these options. You can have a do once node. There are basically endless possibilities you can do. Make sure to check the engine version you're in. I'm using 5.5, so not all the key bindings will work in lower versions. Same as a reroute node. How can you simply make a reroute node instead of dragging out and search reroute and then click on it? We're going to delete this. And how I quickly make reroutes is I drag out from the exact node, I hold R, and then we have a reroute. I'm going to hold another one, R, reroute, and you can make endless reroutes like this. And the same thing here, if you want to connect them like this, where it can be finicky sometimes to connect them, hold Shift, left click on the actor, and you can quickly connect them like this. There we go. And this is basically one of the simplest things that I use in my everyday blueprinting. And the more you learn of these shortcuts, the faster you can build and the smarter you can build. Hope you guys find this useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.